This could be the car for you. The 2021 Ford Bronco. With less than 35,000 miles on the answer the call to adventure in modern style and daily driver comfort in this rugged Bronco. Master of the trail, it also offers a spacious, passenger-friendly cabin, pleasing road manners, and desirable infotainment features, all wrapped in attention-getting good looks. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, 360-degree view car camera, wireless Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, wireless charging station, touchscreen infotainment system, pre-collision system, proximity key entry, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, navigation system. Spacious comfort and serious capability blend seamlessly in this stylish Bronco. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.